Feeling the frustration of squinting to read the menu or struggling to see the TV screen? We've all been there. It's time to show some love to those precious eyes. In this video, we're about to reveal the top 5 foods that can work wonders for your eyesight. From carrot to the powerhouse salmon, and yes, even a surprise contender you might not have considered. These foods are like superheroes in disguise, armed with essential nutrients that can fend off age-related eye issues, dry eyes, and much more. So grab your seat and join us as we unravel the 5 absolute best foods for your eyes. First up on our list is eggs. Versatile, tasty, and more eye-friendly than you might have thought. These protein-packed wonders aren't just about muscle building. They're also loaded with eye-loving nutrients. Take vitamin A, for instance. It's essential for maintaining clear vision and protecting your eye's outermost layer, the cornea. And guess what? Eggs are brimming with it. But there's more. Eggs are also a prime source of lutein and zeaxanthin, those tag team players that help keep cataracts and macular degeneration at bay. So how do you get more eggs into your daily fare? Well, there's a world of options to explore. Whisk up a tasty omelet with some spinach for a double whammy of eye-loving goodness. Or dive into a vegetable-free tater, a clever way to use up those leftover veggies in your fridge. The best part, you can whip it up in advance and savor it for breakfast or lunch throughout the week. Eggs are true eye champions, so don't be shy about trying out various recipes to keep things exciting. Just remember to keep those yolks intact. That's where all the eye-healthy nutrients hang out. Second on our list is a humble veggie that your mom probably nagged you about all through your childhood: carrots. Well, turns out she was onto something. These vibrant orange sticks are bursting with beta-carotene, a nifty compound that your body converts into vitamin A. Why is this vitamin so crucial? Well, it's like your eye's superhero, especially when the lights go dim. Ever struggled to read a menu in a dimly lit restaurant? That's vitamin A coming to the rescue. In fact, a study by the National Eye Institute uncovered that a lack of vitamin A can lead to night blindness. Not exactly a superpower, right? But carrots don't stop at vitamin A. Nope, they're also loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 tag team champions that shield your eyes from harmful light and help fend off age-related eye issues like cataracts and macular degeneration. Plus, they're incredibly versatile. Snack on them raw, roast them to perfection, or toss them into salads for a flavor and nutrition boost. Feeling adventurous? Blend them into your smoothies for a delicious and nutritious treat. By adding more carrots to your diet, you're basically treating your eyes to a spa day. Now, let's cast the spotlight on salmon. This fish isn't just a treat for your taste buds. It's a nutritional powerhouse, especially for your peepers. Salmon is jam-packed with omega-3 fatty acids, the kind of healthy fat that your eyes adore. One of the perks of having these omega-3s in your diet is their ability to keep your eyes from drying out, which can become a pesky issue as you age. Dry eyes, be gone. But that's not all. Salmon also plays defense against macular degeneration, a sneaky eye condition that can creep up as you get older. Studies have shown that folks who dine on omega-3 rich foods like salmon are less likely to fall prey to this vision thief. Preparing salmon is a breeze. You can grill it, bake it, or sauté it in various mouth-watering ways. One smart move is making a salmon salad. Just toss some cooked salmon with your favorite greens, add sliced avocado, and drizzle some olive oil for a satisfying, eye-friendly meal. Or fire up the grill and enjoy it alongside some roasted veggies or brown rice. By making salmon a regular on your menu, you're essentially giving your eyes the VIP treatment. Number 4 on our list is blueberries. These tiny, sweet berries pack a serious punch when it comes to supporting your eyes. The secret sauce here is anthocyanins, the pigments responsible for that rich blue color. These pigments don't just make blueberries a delight for your taste buds. They're also your night vision's best friend. And here's the kicker: they're like a shield, protecting your retina from damage caused by those pesky free radicals. Incorporating more blueberries into your diet is a walk in the park. Add them to your morning smoothie for a burst of flavor and eye-loving nutrients. Sprinkle them atop your oatmeal to kickstart your day with a healthy dose of goodness. Feeling adventurous? Bake them into muffins or other baked delights. And yes, you can even toss them into your salads for a sweet twist. Blueberries are your go-to food for maintaining sharp vision and keeping those eyes sparkling. Number 5 on our list is spinach. It's one of those leafy greens that often gets overlooked, but it's a true eye champion. The secret sauce here is lutein and zeaxanthin, those dynamic duo nutrients. They're like your eye's personal bodyguards, shielding them from the harmful blue light that can lead to eye issues as you age. And guess what? Science has got our back on this one. Studies have shown that folks who regularly consume lutein and zeaxanthin are less likely to develop eye conditions like cataracts. So how do you invite more spinach into your culinary adventures? The options are as boundless as your imagination. You can toss a handful into your salad for some added green goodness, blend it up in your morning smoothie with some fruits, or give it a sauté with a bit of garlic and olive oil for a mouth-watering side dish. Personally, I'm a fan of sneaking it into my smoothies. It's an easy and delicious way to give your eyes some love. So there you have it, the fantastic buy for your eyes. By inviting these foods into your daily meals, you're giving your eyes a helping hand in staying healthy. Now, it's your turn. Which of these foods are you excited to add to your next meal? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you want to catch more informative videos like this one, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.